I think I joined the RNLI because I believed in the quality of the RNLI and their ideas. They were superbly organised, and the role to save lives at sea cannot be doubted. A volunteer service, the coxswain's not paid, the crew not paid, and it aroused public interest. And the public interest was very evident in the locality. Not only the crew came from the locality, because you had to be within a very small time frame, but there were all sorts of ladies of coffee mornings, and Lifeboat Day was, you get several hundred, probably several thousand sometimes. It was a nice spectacle. Visiting vessels would be, yachts would be here. The flank stations, Douglas Lifeboat, Port St Mary Lifeboat would be down, and sometimes Peel. And there was a great support from the other flank stations as well. It was a tremendous part of an atmosphere that was incredibly well supported by the community.